Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Let's learn about slicing strings. We can return a range of characters by using the slice syntax. Specify the start index and the end index, separated by a colon, to return a part of the string. I am creating a variable and assigning a value as Python. Following by, I am using the print function to print a certain part of the string from the string using slicing syntax. Check out the result. It prints T, H, O. Because the index of T is 2. It got the characters from the index 2 to before the index of 5. If you change the index, it will print the respective string. If you leave out the start index, the range will start at the first character by default. Look out the result. If you leave out the end index, the range will go to the end. See the result. We can also use negative indexes to start the slice from the end of the string. The result shows P, Y, T, H. -6 is the index of P. Next, it retrieves the characters up to the index of -2, which corresponds to O, using the colon, for slicing. Alright. Let's see how to modify strings using some built-in methods. We can use the upper method if you want to change the string to uppercase. See the output. It has turned to uppercase. We can use the lower method to change the string to lowercase. Now, let's see how and when to use the strip method. When you want to remove the whitespaces from the beginning or the end of the string, you can use the strip method. Alright, let's see that now. You can see the string contains spaces at the beginning and end. I am using the strip method within the print method. It removes the spaces. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in my next video.